Hi everyone. So this is one of the bot we'll discuss today. So what this is the bot I have developed for one of the client, and this is a bot basically for the user who don't have time to read go through the all the documents like a ChatGPT, and we can upload the files here in the form of PDF, CSV, Excel, text files. So this is very simple. You can go to that files and select the files and process the files, and immediately it will get stored in the database. So you can see there are multiple files already here in the uploaded file list, and there are like a few PDFs and one Excel file. You can see. So we'll see how the bot responds, what is the performance of the bot. And so I have already noted down few questions because I cannot remember all the codes here. So I'll take one by one question from here and we'll check it out. So we are asking the bot what is the average weight of W2424. So this is the answer basically. So bot have extracted everything and SEQ list price, approximately weight and QVP. So we have asked the average weight. So average weight is 24. So data is structured in such a way that whatever question we are asking, the bot is extracting everything. So we can see these are the files where this answer is available, and bot extracted from this file 1951 accessories guide. So we can see already this 1951 spec guide is there. So we'll go to the next question. Let's see how it responds. So what is the SCP called 212 watt W218 4218. So this is the answer. We are getting the answer 400 is the answer, and bot is extracting from this PDF. Not this PDF, this Excel file. Well, one first identifying. So the next question is what is the standard construction of the wall cabinet face frame? So if we ask like this, so we can see the answer. The answer is here. The face frame is made from 1.5 white hardcore. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer getting from this entrance spec guide PDF. So here we can see see the chat history. So whenever what of the communication happened between the user and the bot, bot can remember. And whenever the user want to see what communication happened, they can click on that. And if they want to remove everything, chat will clear the history. They can remove also. So that's it from my side. Thank you.